While pondering what to do next, Ace heard a familiar voice. No, it wasn't a family member. It was Mickey Mouse. Are you lost, little boy? Yes, yes, I am. Would you like me to help you find your family? Oh, yes, please, please. Well, some people say my name is magical. Should we give it a try? Yes, yes. Well, just spell Mickey over and over again and see what happens. Mickey. Mickey. Did you find your family? Oh, yes, there's my brother. Oh, my father. And there's my mom. Thank you, Mickey. Thank you, thank you.